Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at the Ryobi days. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So please help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So this is the kit that you have to buy so you can get these tools for free. So this is a $99 kit, 4 amp hour lithium starter kit. They usually run this at the Ryobi days once a year. So you got the hammer drill, you got the impact driver. Remember guys, these are all brush tools. You got the circ saw, 7 1/4. You got the reciprocating saw, you got the jigsaw, and then you got the multi-tool, as you guys see there. Then down at the bottom, you got the glue gun, you got the job site Bluetooth speaker, you got the rotary tool, you got the 2 amp hour compact battery. You got the inflator, you got the sander, and then to the left you got the angle grinder. Remember, those are all brush tools. Still great tools for the DIY, for the homeowner, for somebody that has an apartment, you know, small jobs like that. You got 2 lights there, the 2-pack, and then you got the buffer, you got the fan, then you got the inverter, you got the trimmer, the edge trimmer, you got the blower. And then you got the pruning chainsaw. That's the new pruning chainsaw, the new 8-inch pruning chainsaw. That's the kit that you have to buy. It's a really nice kit. It does include 2 4 amp hour batteries, so 2 big batteries, a charger. Definitely check it out. That's a really good deal. All these tools are definitely worth it. If you guys hack this, if that's the way what you want to do, you guys can get these for a discounted, really discounted price. So you got the job site speaker, a Bluetooth speaker, $29.97. You got the area lights 2-pack, $49.97. You got the compact glue gun, $19.97. You got the rotary precision rotary tool, $44.97. And that's the hot glue gun there. It does have its own base, so that's a plus on that. And then those are the twin pack of lights. It's a really nice pack right there. And then you got the fan, $49.97. I do have this fan, works really good. So that is the buy this 4 amp hour battery starter, get a free tool. That's pretty much what they advertising. $44.97 for the orbital buffer. And I ended up getting this buffer for $30 with this hack, by the way. So if you guys get the batteries, you end up getting the buffer for $30. That's the pruning chainsaw, $89.97. That's the blower, $59.97. And you got the edge trimmer to the left for $99. So that is definitely, the higher the price of the item, the better, the more you're getting for your money. So if you get that $99 tool, you're going to get them for $50. So just keep that in mind. And I do have the edge, that edger is really nice, the edge trimmer. Got the 2 amp hour performance battery right there. Then you got the pressure inflator. So you guys see there. So you guys can get all those tools with that battery promo from Ryobi. And I would definitely jump on these deals, guys, because they're gonna get sold out. Most of the better tools are gonna fly off the shelves as soon as they hit the stores. I know this is the first store I seen them, so they probably were there. You know, they were just barely there. They were barely released. You got the circ saw. You got the 5 1/2 circ saw, $59. You get the that's the hammer drill there. And there's a circular saw to the right. And then this is another promos that they have. They have some combo deals. This is another little section that they have around there. So this is the 4-tool combo kit with 4 amp hour, 1.5 amp hour battery for $129. Was $199. So that's a good deal for the DIY. Pretty complete kit for the home use. For the home use. And you get a 2-tool combo kit with 2 1.5 amp hour batteries for $99. Then you got this, the drill driver kit, 1/2 inch with 2 1.5 amp hour batteries for $79. So you guys see there, that's the kit. And that's the 2-tool combo kit. So those are all the newer kits that they have, and that's the 4-tool combo kit there, the bigger kit. And then we got some bits here on this side. So first we got a $9.97 for a 40 piece. You got a $14.97 for a 22 piece titanium drill bit set. Then you got a $9.97 for a 20 piece drill and drive set. So that's the 40 piece there. Looks like you got a magnetic sleeve, some 2-inch bits and some 1-inch bits. And then you got this 6-tool combo kit for $1.99, 4 amp hour and 1.5 amp hour battery. As you guys see there, it does include a whole bunch of tools. You got an Airstrike brad nailer for $99, and then you got the Airstrike finish nailer for $149. These are great nailers. Definitely recommend these nailers for you guys. Even some of the pros use these for the finer interior work. So definitely check them out. Got the blower string trimmer combo for $179. That is the kit. So you guys see there, that's the blower. You got 280 CFM on that blower. That's the pole saw. I do have this pole saw. Works great. It does have an extender, an extension there, as you guys see, 139. Then you got this drill driver and impact driver tower that they built here with all these tools. But yeah, guys, that's it for today. Just a short video on this. I will have a shopping at Home Depot video coming up. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out the channel by doing so, and we'll see you guys in the next one.